So, do you want to learn how to read Warriors without buying the books? Either because you want to try them out before buying, or you don't have the money? Here's how you can do that. First, open your browser of choice. I personally prefer Opera, but anything works. Then, go to the Warriors Fandom wiki, and on the top of the page, hover over books and click on either one of those. If it's your first time reading them, I highly recommend starting at the Prophecies Begin, so you just click there. Then underneath this section, you click on the book. Since it's your first time, just click the first being Into the Wild. Then scroll until you see the chapters and read from start to finish. An alternate link I recommend is this one, which will be in the description. This was a question that was asked a lot, so hopefully I helped you.